welcome to another video by Stan's Auto Repair. Sorry you can't really see scan tool, but what we're doing is testing the idle. Right now it's on idle for the test. Now we're going to do 900. If you're wondering, I forgot to mention, we're testing the idle control valve, making sure that, you know, I send signal to it and it's working. So now we're going to go to 900 RPMs. Okay. All right. Everything there's looking good. So now let's go to 1,000. Okay. Looking good there. Let's go to 1,100. Okay. 1,200. All right. 1,300. Okay. 1,400. All right, good response, holding out. Now last 1,500 RPM. All right. That all looks good. Let's go back to idle. And we're doing what we should, slowly going down the idle. Okay, so the idle control valve on this 2007 PT Cruiser did pass. Just checking because I don't know much about this vehicle, so I'm just doing little videos. If y'all wondering, the scan tool, I got it at Walmart, and I'll show it to you. It's right there. It's a Hyper Tough, which is a brand of Autel. When you buy it, you get one free manufacturer. I had chose Chevy because but then each additional manufacturer is $21.99, and that lasts for a year. Okay, fan just kicked on, that's good. All right, thanks for watching. And yeah, okay, in a sense, let's go one more test. Let's powertrain, engine control module, see if anything came up while we did the test. Read codes. No faults detected. Okay, let's go one more step. Actually, this. Okay. Oh, I need the red one. There we go. Service. Nope. Let's go home. Okay. Nope, not that one. Here. I'm still learning this thing. Okay, here we go. We will go. There we go. Chrysler. Automatic selection. Read. Okay, got the VIN. Okay, that is correct. Establishing vehicle communication. Diagnostics. Auto scan. All right, we're going reading the powertrain, no fault. TCM, no fault. Airbag, no fault. Mechanical instrument cluster, one fault. Central gateway, no fault. Radio, no fault. Wireless control, occupant classification, no fault. Satellite radio, no fault. So let's see what this fault is. Read codes. Trunk release switch stuck. I'm gonna write that down. So we got a B186D. Okay. As far as I know, this vehicle doesn't have a trunk release switch. If it does, it's not there. That's something I'll have to look into separate from this. But let's go ahead and erase this code. Erase codes. Oh, ignition off. Turn the blower motor off. Yes. Let's delete freeze data. All right. And then now we'll read codes. Still comes up. So there is an issue since that came right back up. So that will be probably my next video, figuring out what this B168D is. I'm going to have to do some research on it because it's, yeah, see. Yeah, okay. Sometimes I can get actual information. Yeah, there's no way to get information going on Google or nothing. But all right, y'all, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up because that definitely helps get my videos kind of out there. And always remember, if it's broke, fix it.